Hey, what's going on, guys? How many shares of BTCI would it take to acquire for you to be able to retire from your 9 to 5? Stick around. We're going to take a look at some examples here and what might the numbers look like in a hypothetical situation. Disclaimer, not a financial advisor here. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. So do this information knowing that. So NEOS, they have many high income ETFs. This one specifically is targeting Bitcoin. What we're going to take a look at today is, first of all, the yield, right? So it's going to be paying a 26% yield at, the current implied volatility with Bitcoin. This can change very quickly. So depending on when you watch the video and depending on, the price of Bitcoin and the implied volatility of Bitcoin, whenever come across this video, this may vary a lot. So do with that as well. This is the ticker symbol is BTCI. So definitely go do your own research on that fund. If they're able to pay $15.39 annually, I think this is what stock analysis is kind of using. They're just taking some of their most recent distributions and multiplying it by 12. So we're just going to say $1.25. That's going to be like their projected monthly income. We'll see, and you can see it varies, quite a lot here. But let's go ahead and jump over to a calculator on our website. You can find this calculator, the very bottom one here. Actually, hop back real quick. So the current price of BTCI is $59.15. And we are going to say that they're going to be able to pay $1.25 per month. Once again, this is very hypothetical. Can vary, like we saw previously, a lot. This is just kind of a conservative amount here. So $1.25. So if they were able to continually pay that amount per month, and you didn't have to drip the distribution back into the ETF, these are some numbers here. So in order to make $1,000 per month, you're going to have to own roughly 800 shares of BTCI. And at the current share price of $59.15, that's going to take roughly $47,000 that you're going to have to invest in order to acquire the shares. Hopping up to the next one, $2,500 per month, you're going to have to buy 2,000 shares. $5,000 a month, you're going to have 4,000 shares. And at $10,000 per month, you're going to have roughly 8,000 shares. And it's going to cost you more than $473,000 at the current price today. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below. Once again, this is a quick illustration looking at BTCI. This is a very popular fund from NEOS. Definitely understand the risk with these types of high income funds. Obviously 26% is a very high yield, right? But yeah, definitely look at the underlying, make sure it makes sense. The NAV's been kind of steady with this one so far. Year to date, it's still in the red a little bit. But it did start out at, I think, $50 a share, and it's currently at $59. So since, October, almost a year coming up next month, it's gained almost 10% or $9 just in the NAV appreciation, not to mention all the dividends you've received over the past month or past 12 months here. So that's it for this video, guys. Once again, let me know your guys' thoughts down below. This is an income illustration targeting NEOS's Bitcoin high income ETF, BTCI.